Yes, digital product family. Hope you guys are well. Guys, we're here with the second Easter digital product video, finding you those fantastic gems, guys, showing you how to get those amazing keywords so that you can get your designs up and listed. But guys, as usual, before I get going with this video, if you love digital products, you love creating, researching, listing, and all of that crazy stuff, then please hit like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to share because we're just sharers over here, guys. We just love that sharing stuff. Anyways, check it out, man. Let's have a look. Look, Easter part. This is part 2. So check out part 1 at the end of this video. See it right at the top. 5 fantastic ideas. Anyways, have a look at this. Look, we're on Easter. Look, we're getting ready for Easter, man. You got to get ready for these. Look at these. Look, they're just all bunnies. As soon as you type in Easter PNG on the 92,351 results. That's a mad one. Look at that. And all I see is eggs and bunnies. Look at that. Eggs, bunnies, chicks. Eggs, bunnies, and chicks. Eggs, bunnies. Look, eggs, bunnies. Eggs, bunnies. That's all I see. It's crazy. Right? Some flowers, crosses there. Pastel Easter. That pastel Easter. Rustic Easter. Dressed bunnies. What's that? Camp Bear family. No. Oh, look, they got these little breakthroughs. They're starting to do this crack in the wall style, even for Easter, which we know about. Ballerina, ballerina bunny. That's hilarious. Oh, look at these sleeping bunnies. Oh, look at these sleepy bunnies. They're sleeping, man. That is so cute. Yeah, so look at these, all of these bunnies. And okay, so look, this is why I like looking. I like looking because themes repeat themselves. Look, themes, Easter, bunny, flower, flowers, all these things, baskets, they just all repeat themselves. So, I mean, look at this one. Look at this one. This looks like it might be good. It's got quite a lot of review. Well, that's the store, but let's check this out, man. Floral bunnies, right? Floral bunnies. Let's see what this is about. 8 baskets. Okay, so it looks like it's just one little. This looks like a nice little clip art that you could actually use for cards perfectly. It actually looks like a really good design, ready made for cards for Easter. You can see it. These are the demos, the mock ups they're showing you with the little basket, the flowers, and the bunnies. I think something to think about when you're doing something for Easter, for these occasions, is to do a bundle of clip arts that actually appeals to people that want to actually use these for cards, especially because it is that time. It is that time to use it for that, right? So let's just have a look at this one. This is just like one single clip art. Like it's not even a bundle. So how much is this making? This is pretty good. I must say this is pretty good. It's making $363 for one actual clip art. Pretty much. That's amazing. 37 monthly sales. That's really good. I mean, look, it's on a sale right now, so you got to calculate the revenue with the sale included. But it's pretty decent, for a one listing, right? Even with that. So yeah, let's get some clues as well. Let me just use EverBee to look at these listing tags and see what they got, my. Okay, so you got a few things going on here. You got floral bunnies. That's why floral bunnies are alright. People do like it. It's got a keyword score 10, not that big. Bunnies clip art, okay, 20. Easter clip art 10. Watercolor bunnies. So what it is this actual listing design is hitting on a few different keywords basically. That's where it's getting that visibility. Look at it. Floral bunnies, spring clip art, bunnies clip art, Easter clip art, watercolor bunnies. Yeah, so there's a few there, guys. There's a few interesting keywords there that the reason why it's getting those sales. So it's good to check this out. This is what I'm trying to say, guys. It's always interesting to check this out. And then you look at other things like SVG seem to go well. These doodle, Easter, and then you've got these other elements that also are combined with things like gnomes and Easter and things like that, right? So what I like to do, as usual, I like to use EverBee, my go-to research tool to find all my lovely gems. Check out the link in my description, free access. Try it out for free, see what it's like for you. What I like to do is I like to go to product analytics very quickly because I want to be quick, see what's there. and then it says Easter PNG. Now you don't have to do PNG when you do Easter. You might do digital, you might do download. You want to do something that refers to basically a digital product. That's why I put PNG, because that's going to be a digital product, right? And then I'll go down and I'll sift through. I'll look at monthly revenue, look at listing age, and really what I want to do is I want to see and find what is making decent money in this for this kind of niche. Yeah, I see these doodle letters. They seem to do quite well. These doodle letters, right? They seem to do quite well. Um, and then let's have a look. Let's just go to. You got these SVG Christian SVGs. You got this one. That's quite good, like a Easter little design. So I really like to do that. I really like to do that. Look at these. They got these Christian watercolors because obviously Easter, it does during Easter. You're gonna have some Christian designs, clip arts that would also be quite popular during this period. This cute bunny and bandana. So that's how I do that, and then I'll try and touch on a few of these. So like I said, we looked at this one, which was actually quite decent for one actual clip art. It's very good. I mean, to be fair, it's three different designs there. There's three of those bunnies with florals, and you get the hint, you get the clues when you see what's on that first page when you type it in. So when I typed in Easter PNG, I kind of knew already because I looked at and saw what was being sold on that first page. And look, you see bunnies, you see flowers, and you see and you see eggs as well, which is another thing that you see, and you see the baskets. So all those elements, that they're actually things that people probably are searching for. So just by looking gives you ideas anyway, right? That's the thing. But then obviously you delve deeper and you start looking into these things in more detail. Look, something that also another thing that makes sense is that when you've got something like gnomes, right? Especially the gnomes with the eyes covered with the hat, right? Because those are the more popular ones, right? When you know that gnomes work well for Christmas, so Christmas and gnomes work well. When you see gnomes and pumpkins or gnomes in fall or autumn work well, then you're pretty much guaranteed that it's going to actually do something in Easter, or it is possible that it should work in Easter. And this is like one design. Look, it's just showing you one design that can go on a t-shirt. And again, it's three gnomes. You got an egg, you got a carrot, again, and the bunny ears. So Easter related gnome design. Let's have a look at this. Let's just get an idea what's going on with this one. This is like one design, by the way. It's not a lot. I mean, it's a 10-month-old listing making $117. The thing is, if you do gnomes and you're doing it for different times of the year, then look at that. Average conversion is 14.45. That's pretty good. Pretty good, right? And and what's amazing as well on top of that is when you actually go into the listing tags, you get even more ideas. And like I said, look, you look down and you look, people actually type in Easter gnome. People actually type in Easter gnome PNG, just like they type in Christmas gnome PNG. So you got people, 82 people every month specifically typing in Easter gnome PNG, and they may be typing in another thing as well. It might be gnome Easter PNG, and this is where you start finding all these other keywords because this is where you find. I mean, that's not too bad. I mean, not too bad keyword score. Although the volume isn't massive, but still, I mean, it's a good way of getting seen. And then what I would do is I start going into deeper. I'll go to EverBee and go to keyword research. And what I'll do is I might type in something like Easter gnome, right? Easter gnome, obviously. I would go in maybe add a PNG, but what I'll do is I'll do Easter gnome, right? Easter gnome. And then you're gonna get, a decent keyword score. So what I'll do is if I was gonna try and search something maybe around that, I'll do Easter gnome, right? As my keyword, right? So what you'll see is it's gonna give me other related um words to Easter gnome. So look at this. So look, for example, an Easter gnome bundle. Look, straight away, I've got a nugget for you. Doing an Easter gnome bundle, 42 people actually search for this with a competition of 650. Like that is crazy. Look at that. I'll do it here. Look, I'll show it to you. Easter gnome bundle, right? So if you did a bundle of Easter gnomes, let's just have a look at this. You're getting a search of, I mean, that's even better. 47 people searching for it with 598. Now imagine, look, this is how it works. 47 people searching for that. And then if I type in Easter Gnomes bundle with an S, that's another search term, by the way, by adding the S. So that's 47 volume with that one. Plus, let's see how many search for this one. Plus, well, did they include that same one? They did, didn't they? Right? But look, let's just use Easter Gnome bundle as it is. That's a decent keyword. I know it's a low search volume, but look, this is what it is. If you start finding and looking at these, there's also different combination. It might be gnome Easter bundle, it might be Easter bundle gnome, and these are all different keyword scores, or sorry, research search terms that people might type in, but yet they relate to the sort of gnome bundle, right? Idea. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. So what you do is you find these nuggets by coming back to keyword research, looking at what sells, and then try to see something else that you could do using that. So for me, from one Easter gnome, sorry, one um so for me, from one design, if I were to do a bundle, then I know that it's going to get me up on that first page quite well, right? If I did a bundle of Easter gnomes. So can you see how you can actually expand on an idea? And then again, look at this. Here's another idea. Like this coffee lovers. So you got coffee lovers that also are, these coffee designs that work really well in Christmas. And actually, it works well. Let's have a look. It seems to work quite well in Easter too. So let's just have a look. $143, right? It's got only a 20% off sale. It's got a 20% off sale. So you got to adjust how much it's making for that. But look, this is one PNG, one listing, making $143. It's got a fantastic conversion of 11.27, right? This is what I'm trying to say. And how we look deeper into this is that I might go and look at the listing tags. So let's have a look and see what the listing tags are saying. And look at this. You got listing tags that gives you ideas, other ideas, of other keywords. Obviously, you got Easter clip arts, you got Easter vibes, PNG, and other things. But so it just gives you an idea that look, it's making 62 sales per month, right? That's not too bad. That's one listing. I mean, it is on a 20% off sale, so take that into account. But it gives you a hint that if coffee with Easter sells, coffee with Christmas sells, then other times of the year, if you combine it, would probably sell. And this is just one listing, guys. This is what I'm trying to say. So it's always a case of combining things, other elements. It's about the ingredients. Coffee with Easter, gnome with Easter, something else with Easter. It's combining, elements, right? And this is what I'm trying to say: combining elements, and this is where it is. And here's the Christian. Well, there's a massive bundle. Christian watercolor um, PNG mega bundle, right? Again, 7 in a basket. Look at this. Massive bundle, 500 PNG, guys. Fantastic. Massive bundle, watercolor designs. How much is it making? $401, guys. $401. Christmas, Easter. Let's have a look at some of the keywords, right? Guys, look at that's a lot. That's a $401 for one. That's really good. That's really good. I mean, it is on a 50% off sale right now, so you definitely got to take that into account. And then you got something like this, which is like a PNG. And this again is a little combination. It's got this Western look, even with the prints behind the letters. Look at that. You got the leopard print. You got this kind of Western style, Western combination with Easter. Little design, little PNG, right? Little design that people could buy for the T-shirt. People love these kind of designs for t-shirts. Look, Happy Easter, the wording, and you got the bunny in the background, and you got the letters, and you got the eggs. You got all the combination that Easter would have, but with that Western style, right? Let's have a look at this one. This is just like one PNG, but it's specific for Easter. $519, guys. 500. It's got a 12.56 conversion rate. It's huge. 153 sales in a month, right? Now, it is on a sale right now, so you have to take that into account when calculating 55%. But what I'm saying is, look at these little elements that are combining to make this. Let me just have a look at the listing tags. Look at this. And this is where the gold is. Check the gold, guys. The gold is here. Western Easter PNG, which people type in, there's 185 volume. Now, I'm sure that if you type in Easter Western, there's a few combinations where there's actually more volume for this. But let's just use Western Easter PNG, 185 people search, competition 4389. It's got a decent keyword score. I know that this seller's gonna get seen for this keyword, right? They're gonna get seen for this particular keyword, because if you go to the title, and let's just have a look and see. Western and Easter. Where's Western? Yep. Western Easter PNG. It's right there. Right? So it's going to get seen. And this is what I'm trying to say, guys. It's about making sure also those keywords, those decent keywords, are up on your title, product description down there, and your listing tags, guys. And that's how you get seen. And you want to get to those unsaturated, even though sometimes the volume is not massive, get into those unsaturated areas where you can get yourself up on that first page and get those amazing passive income sales, guys. Anyways, guys, I hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I shall see you on the next video. Take care.